Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, such as, I don't know, Google Chrome, Microsoft's Edge, or any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then you'll just go here to the URL and type asana.com and hit the enter button. So of course you'll need to wait until the page load, and of course you'll be here, or that page will be actually your main or your home screen. But before starting using the website, you would like to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything. You'll need just to go and create your account. You can even create your account with the Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So after you log into your account, or after you create your account, then log into it, that, as we said, will be your home or your main screen. So of course, if you want to change your email address on Asana website, all you need to do, just go and click at your icon at the top right corner, which is right here. Just go and click on that, and from here you will click at my settings. So of course, as you can see from here, you have the settings. Of course, you can change from here your name, pronouns, or we will not care about that for now. What we care about is our email address. So of course, when we go here to our email forwarding, and as you can see here, you will find emails sent from. So of course, you can add a new email, and of course, in order to add a new email, you need re-authenticate. I'm not spelling it right. Anyway, you'll need to do this, or like read it. Anyway, which is a re-authenticate, I guess. Anyway, so of course you'll need to click here, and that will actually you'll need to type your email address here again. So of course, for me, I'm signed in with Google, so I'm just going to click on there again and click on the email that I'm using here. So of course, as you can see now, if I click in order to, okay, it's the same thing. I don't know what's the problem, but let me just go and type it like manually. Gmail and .com, not space, continue, and the password, I guess, should be this. Okay, maybe this. Anyway, I'm just going to do all of that, and I'm coming back, I guess. So of course, sorry, I guess that will not work for you. First of all, you would like to click at remove email, then type the email that you want to remove. Then after removing the email, of course, they will ask you to get a code from the email, this email, of course. Then you would like to click at add new email, and you will be able to add it with no problems. So that will be actually for this tutorial, and that's how you actually change your email on Asana website. So I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.